Hello traders, hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'll break down the trade that I took in State Bank of India. This is also another pure technical trade. So let's get started with the technical analysis. So if you see the overall trend of SBI, it has been very bullish from the beginning. Under my strategy, I like looking at stocks that have always been trending up in a broader time frame, and you can see that SBI is also one of them. So the pattern that I noticed is the weekly breakout, the weekly pattern and breakout, right? So that's the resistance, this is the support, and as we've seen in the previous video, I like taking my entries at breakouts that happen after a consolidation phase. So the breakout took place in the weekly time frame, but I was too late to enter. As you can see, price pushed with high volume and I couldn't get a discounted price to enter, right? So my plan was to wait for a corrective pullback and then look for an ideal entry. So then I switched down to the daily time frame, right? So I saw the stock slowly pull back with less selling pressure, and I noticed another pattern in this particular corrective sentiment and took part in the breakout. So the pattern was this, right? It had high volume, a nice slow pullback in a correction way, and then again a breakout. So this is the area that I took part in. My exact entry was 641.75. Okay, just a minute. 641.75 and my SL being 584. Yep, and as usual a minimum of 1:2 risk to reward. So I kept my SL below the consolidation phase and a low to have space for the stock to breathe if it needed to accumulate more, right? And yeah, so this was my entry. I took part at 641.75. Just a minute. 641.75. Right now currently price is moving with high volume for the past 3 days. I think it's moved around 13%. Yeah, 13% from my entry point. I'll be aiming for 1:2. I'll be exiting the trade at 1:2. And yeah, I also one more thing to notice that right now I've moved my SL to break even. So this particular trade is a risk-free trade as of now. It either hits my TP and I get a good decent profit, or it comes back to my break even and I exit with no profit or no loss as well. So it's a break even trade, right? And yeah, so this was my trade in SBIN. Hope you guys have learned something out of this video. Please like this video and also comment if you have any doubts or concerns, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.